Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming the carrier and the exact phone app so you know which blocking options are available. Open the phone or dialer app and go straight to the Recent or Calls tab. Once there, find the number you want to block and tap the Info or Details icon. This reveals actions tied to that contact. Doing this first saves time because the next steps depend on whether the number is in your contacts or only in your recent calls list. Now use the phone's built-in block feature to stop calls and texts. Tap Block or Report from the number's details. If the entry is a saved contact, open the contact, choose Edit, and select Block this caller. For Android, you can also add the number to Settings Block Numbers or Call Settings Call Blocking. Once done, verify the number appears in the block list so you know the system will reject incoming calls and messages automatically. Finish by exploring carrier and third-party app options for tougher cases. You can contact your carrier to enable network-level blocking and spam filters, which blocks before your phone rings. Alternatively, install a trusted call blocking app and configure a whitelist so only approved numbers get through. If blocked callers still reach you, restart the phone, update the OS and apps, and recheck your blocked lists. This often fixes syncing or permission issues.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.